Hi Dressed Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a Christmas llama, so let's get started. To draw this cute llama or alpaca, let's first start by drawing the bottom of a U. So I'm going to come right here. Just going to draw a curve, very simple and shallow bottom of a U. And I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve right at the bottom and connect. There. From there, let's go ahead and I'm going to come to the top and I'm going to cap it off with these curves all the way across. Now that we've drawn this part, let's go ahead and about right here, I'm going to draw a circle for some eyes. And same thing right across, about right here. And since they're pretty small, I'm just going to add a highlight right here. So a little circle and shade everything else in. And same thing here. And then I'm going to come above each eye and just draw a soft curve over each eye. And then now to draw the nose. So in between, I'm going to find my center. So say about right here, I'll just give myself a point. And I'm going to draw this kind of very flattened out heart. It comes to the center. Then right here in the center, let's come down with a straight line, and then we're going to curve up on both sides for a very happy llama and cap it off. There. So now that we have the face in, let's go ahead. We're going to come to the sides. Let's just pick a point right here and here. And I'm going to start to draw a bunch of curves straight down all the way to frame the face and start the neck. So then about right there, I'm going to go up. So I'm just curving it up and I'm going to come across. So let's say about right here. It's easier for my hand to draw this way. I'm going to go ahead and then now that I'm pretty leveled, so a tiny bit more, I'm going to go ahead and connect it with a curve right at the top. So giving a little beanie hat. So then I'm going to thicken this up and connect, and then draw the top of the hat, little dome, and then the little poofy ball at the top. There. And then you can add some details right here, just lightly. Just drawing some lines. There. And then for the ears, I'm going to stick them right in this area. So let's come about right here. Round off the tip and come down. And then we'll draw the inside. And same thing here. There. Okay, so now we have the top of our llama in. Let's bring this down. So, say about right there. I'm going to go ahead and about in this area I'm going to start to go this way. So come right across, draw a bunch of curves, and say about right there I'm going to start to bring it in. So I'll round off this part right here and continue this part. And let's go back and forth. So we're starting to build a body, and about right here, I'll go ahead and end it. Just bigger curves at the bottom. There. So we have this very cartoonish, simplified body for our llama here. And then before I forget, I'm going to add a little tail right here in this area. And let's see, let's add some legs. So let's come about right here. And I'm going to angle a little bit and then connect at the bottom. Do a little bit angle and connect. And I'll just draw a line right here for the hoofs and shade this all in so you can see a little bit better. And same thing about right here. There, we have our feet in, and then let's make this extra festive. So let's come over here, and I'm gonna add this little saddle. I'm just gonna curve all the way across, and to decorate, I'll just use my curves. Go all the way across, and let's add some little designs right here at the bottom. One more, and I'm just gonna add some little balls to the bottom of it. So I really hope this inspires you, and you can come up with your own designs for everything here. Then from there, let's add some lights. So I'll put a string going this way. Maybe one going this way. And let's add one more since I have space here. Make it extra festive. And then to make them, let's put the lights, so let's add a bunch of circles going across. Better add one here. And here. And one more row. There, nice and festive now, right? Then from there, let's just add some curves at the bottom. I'm just going to lightly, so that we know it's nice and fluffy. There, and then last but not least, let's add some gifts right at the top. So I'm going to come right here and draw a gift box all the way across. Let's add another layer. For 2 boxes, and I'll come across and decorate them. Right in the center, we're going to add a very simple little bow, and the ribbons going down, and same thing here. There. And last but not least, we need to add a heart. And let's see here. I'll add it right here. And that is pretty much it for this Christmas llama. And I really hope this drawing here inspires you to draw it, and I made it fun and easy for you to follow along. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Cute videos. See you later.